Alright, this is the new X700 manure spreader. On this manure spreader we've decided to include a heavier apron chain and tube slats. The tube slats are a far cry from the formed apron slats we used to use. They're solid tube steel, 1/8 inch wall. They are much more sturdy and less susceptible to getting stuff jammed in them on the return. This heavier apron chain, we are now using a 667XH apron chain. It is one of the strongest chains on the market right now. We've also changed our flooring material from UHMW to this white DENSILITE here. It has less thermal expansion than the UHMW we had used prior, and it will allow for less warpage. It's also one of the slickest plastics on the market right now. It will ensure pile slides very nicely. One of the biggest things that you notice right off the bat is the flared sides. This adds a lot of capacity with a 700 cubic feet heap to mount. Hydraulics are similar to the V140 and V180. We're still using two types of flow control for the apron chain. This flow control here adjusts your speed in the normal operation, and this knob here adjusts your speed in reverse. With it all the way closed, you don't get any reverse. With the new slop gate, we've also added in two blocks here. One of them is a PSI limiter for up and down, and the other is a block that helps adjust the flow so you don't get chatter going up and down. With the new X700, we also switched to a guillotine style slop gate. We're using two cylinders on either side in tandem to push up and pull down. They're double acting cylinders. They will be able to crush any pile that you may have underneath them, and they lift up to about the height of the beaters. On this new slop gate, we've decided to use a plastic slide on either side for slickness when it moves up and down. This box is 18 feet long. It's the same length and width as the V140, but it also has these flared sides like I mentioned earlier to add the lot more capacity. We have also, with the X700 being our replacement for the V140, we've changed from the V140 style of having one single gearbox to having two gearboxes on either side, similar to the V180. These also run in tandem. Tires are a military tire. These are the same tires we used on the V180. We're now using them on a smaller of our two units, which is the X700. This is our new X700 manure spreader. This is the replacement for our old V140s. It's much better machine, and we think you'll be very happy with it.